We could be seeing a Tuesday turnaround. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the BUBBA'S Daily Update for Tuesday, April the 27th, and a little early today, but markets are a little bit volatile this morning. As we see, suddenly we have turned lower after being much higher overnight. In the meantime, this update is being brought to you by our friends at the CTG Group. That is our preferred brokerage partner, although we have other brokers for futures and commodities. We prefer CTG. They're the only ones who are authorized to do our letter of direction trading. They've got great customer service. They trade my accounts, and they've got some great managed futures products. Check them out, info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, again, as I said, the markets have suddenly turned lower, and we're seeing a little bit of pressure. Not a huge surprise. You look at the rally that we've had, and you're going to get some pullbacks. I mean, the markets don't go straight up. There's going to be some retracement, and certainly it wouldn't be surprised to see this market down 300-400. Now, right now, it's not down that much, but certainly it would not be a surprise, nor would it change the long-term trend, which is higher, and we stand in our same positions. We're long all indexes with the exception of the Russell. It didn't quite flip yet, so we are still short the Russell and long the other three. Metals are a little bit mixed, but slightly higher, but they're grinding higher, and they look like they're ready to explode to the upside. Now, again, we're long gold, we're long silver. We would be long platinum, except that we no longer trade it, but they look pretty solid, and they're building a real nice base the way that I can see it. The bond and notes are lower, which, listen, of course, we have a Fed meeting tomorrow. Who the hell knows what they're going to say? But certainly will have some sort of effect. But as you can see, the bond markets are still fighting the Fed, and they're trying to force their hand, and they have an opportunity to win here. Copper is higher. Unbelievable. There's no inflation, but copper is higher as it continues to explode. Net gas is higher. We're long both. Crude is higher. We're long crude as well. And of course, the dollar is higher. We are short dollars. But I would say that this would be a great opportunity to sell the dollars. But in the meantime, we are shorted. And, as you view and look at the different markets that are happening, you just have to understand that the trend is always your friend, and to put yourself in the best conceivable position to be successful. As we take a look over at the grain markets, they have suddenly sold off. They were up huge this morning. In fact, they were testing limits in the May, which is expiring this week, and up in the deferreds, but now the deferreds are actually lower, and the May is giving up ground quickly. But again, not a surprise. Look at the size of the rally we have just had, okay, including yesterday's limit up move. So you expect to see some of these pullbacks, it makes 100% sense and is actually healthier for the market. Parabolic moves typically don't last forever, and they don't usually pay, okay, when you chase them up. So not a surprise. We were still very, very bullish to grain markets and look for much higher prices, but certainly we'll use this pullback as a buying opportunity. Take a look at the meats, and, we're short cattle, both fats and feeders, and they're both slightly higher today. Hogs, we are long, and that's slightly lower. Again, I don't think about it. I'm getting on a plane soon. I won't even be watching. And of course, in the softs, cotton is slightly lower. We are long. OJ is slightly higher. We are short. Coffee is higher. We are long. Sugar is flat. We are long. And cocoa is lower, and we're short. And again, remember, we are following the trend, the paper, the way the markets are flowing. We are with the path, at least to resistance, which is what you want to be at all times. So again, just let the markets trade. Don't get yourself overly involved. In the meantime, don't forget about our other partners, and of course, one being Family Farms, who is a great partner. And of course, with the farm products going bananas to the upside, our goal is to help farmers. Listen, they're professionals at what they do, and we're professionals at what we do, and we want to help them defend and take care of their capital to make them more successful than they already are. And, of course, I can't wait for the July event coming up, which will be in person, I'm sure. And, of course, our other brokerage partner at Tradier. And listen, Tradier, it's $10 a month. That's the biggest thing I can say to you. But they do have great service. Okay. Plus, we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate your portfolio if you would like to have it done that way. And of course, it makes it very easy for you if you choose. Now, you don't have to, and you don't have to even trade through Tradier. But again, that's where we're able to automate it if you choose. It's free. Okay. And of course, our commodity report written by Andy Hecht, there is nothing like it. Again, if you're a commodities trader, you got to have it, because nobody understands nor details the markets, as you heard Andy on Monday nights. And of course, don't forget our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. I'll be back in Chicago tomorrow. Be good, be careful, and make sure that you're always paying attention to which way the trend is going and not trying to fight the markets. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.